guys, it's me, Kitten Surprise. I am just starting this out. I am 7 years old and I am about to open Kitten Surprise. This is my first time doing anything with YouTube, so let's get started. Sorry guys, this takes absolutely forever. My hands are so tiny. Ah, oops.
It's okay.
And I have never had one of these before, so I'm so excited. Sorry about the fumbling and stuff. Sorry, I sound really weird, but... Mom, can we get some scissors?
Sure.
Okay, here.
Okay. You want to talk to them by yourself?
No, I just need you to get scissors.
Okay, but do you want to talk to the people by yourself?
Sure, just get scissors.
Okay, well, I can't get scissors and have the phone.
I know, I'm going to hold the phone.
Oh, that's what I was saying. Okay, you hold the phone. Remember, it's like, oh, so you're covering up the camera right
now. Sorry, guys.
There you go.
So, this is Autumn while my mom gets some scissors. Right now, pause. No, Mom, 1 second. Pause right now and guess how many kittens, how many boys, and how many girls. That. Meow, meow, get me out of here. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow.
Scissors.
Meow. Uh-oh, it looks like Olga wants to get out. Mom, they're right here.
I know.
I know where all of it is because I watched it. If Cookie Swirl and Disney Car Toys and Goody Parade is here, I want to give you a shout out. And shout out to my mom, my dad, and everyone who's watching this right now. While Mom gets this. Ah! So, let's open it. 1 second. Mom, can you hold it now?
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay. It's gonna be. It's a girl. Mommy, what should we name this one?
What should we name this one? Let's close up on it. No, you don't have to bring it closer, baby. The camera can do that.
Oh.
Oh, that one. I don't know. That one kind of looks like a candy corn to me.
Okay, we'll name this one candy corn.
Okay.
And if we have any more after these ones, I think we have 5. Oh my gosh, Mom. Oh, that's a girl. I thought I saw a boy. This is, how about you guys describe what should we name this one? Wait, Mom, where's the kid? Oh, phew. I'm like, where the heck is the other one? Meow, meow. Oh, you scared her.
Here, let me move this out a little bit.
This is another girl. Are they twins? Nope, they're
3
not
girls.
Do we have any more? Aw, dang it.
No more.
Dang it.
That's okay. 3 girls, though. All right.
Wait, guys, don't pause yet. I'm not done yet. We're going to a cheerleading squad. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, God, you just hurt me, sissy. Sorry. Hey, you guys want to go out to the bar yet? No, we're underage. Go. Meow, meow. Rules are rules. You guys cannot leave without my permission. Okay, meow. Okay, meow. Okay, meow.
All right, Freya. Say bye to your YouTube people for now.
How many seconds was it?
That was 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Do you wanna tell them see you next unboxing?
See you next unboxing, which is probably in like a few weeks or so.
Okay.
It's going to take forever, but sorry guys. Yeah, sorry. Bye.